What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Today we are making some apple crisp. We just went apple picking, so here's all our apples that we picked. We did it with our friends. Now we're gonna make these nice apples and these ingredients into an apple crisp. We have brown sugar, quick oats, flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, lemon juice, and of course, the apples. It wouldn't be an apple crisp without the beautiful apples. It would just be called crisp. The first thing that we're going to do is my mom's going to cut and peel these apples. So she is almost done, and I think she's done. Look at these. Now, for the next part, we're going to spray some lemon juice into these apples. So, here we go.
All right, that's good.
The first thing we're going to pour in is a cup of brown sugar, and this stuff is really yummy. Here we go. Oh my. Next, we're going to pour in a half a cup of flour. Here we go. Next is a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Do we pour it all in?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Next, we're going to toss it all together. Here we go. Oh, go. We're going to get baked into a yummy apple crisp. Our apple pieces look nice and coated. We're going to put all the other ingredients into this bowl.
All right, pour it.
Even this?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Brown sugar, flour.
Brown sugar, flour. I think I'll have my thumb.
Our quick oats.
Oats. Oh man.
Baking powder.
Baking powder. Oh,
Whoops.
get in there, you.
Baking soda.
Well, that's a way to get something in.
And we're gonna mix it really good.
I feel like a baker. Bacon. Oh. Bacon something up. The last thing we added was some butter.
And we're gonna take this vintage thing from your great grandma, and we are going to cut the butter into our dry mixture.
Okay. So you just like stab it.
Uh-huh.
Is it meant to stick on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, ooh. Come on. Mush you guys up. Mush, 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 mush. Mush you guys up. Now it's time to mix everything together like a big family reunion. What's in this pan?
Okay. Those go in there.
There you guys go. Start your party or whatever.
Good.
Make
All right.
room for that big guy.
And now our crumbly
Guys, make room
topping.
for our crumbly topping family.
Careful. Make sure it's all the way in, baby.
Yay! There you guys go. Have your big family reunion. And also, can you guys make us an apple crisp? The timer's up. Let's go ahead and check on it. 3, 2, 1. Oh! You have to have a little ice cream with your apple crisp, and now it's time to eat the apple crisp. Look around. He has it. He's ready to dig in, so let's dig in.
Is it good?
Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip side.